Yeah, this is a finished look. I'm actually gonna show you how I achieved this gorgeous
that you can just,
hairstyle. If you want something simple, you can just rock, carry it for a few days. You can also decide to remove this other long parts you have here to put on your wigs, if you want to put on your weaves, and yeah, whatever the case may be. And yes, I'm also going to walk you through the process. So if you actually want to see how I made the hair and achieved this beautiful look, I would say, guys, keep watching. Guys, do not laugh at my hair. I know a lot of times a lot of you have been like, look at your hedges, what are you doing to your hedges, look at it, all blah 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 blah. Some people will tell you, hey, you put on too much of wigs, that's why you have this kind of wig edges, your edges are all broken, use this, use that. Guys, I've used literally all the products that I was referred to. I've actually bought a lot of products, and I don't know, I think I've given up on, but I'm not letting it get the best part of me. It's not going to get the best part of me. I'm just going to live with it. If it comes out, fine, but I think it's better before. If you see my hedges, guys, it looks bald, like completely no hair. So but right now we still have some hair. You can still see, little hair growing. That means there's improvement anyways. So that's, by the way, what's been keeping me unnatural. So enough of the blabbing. The reason why I parted my hair into 2 equal halves is just to enable me have control over the parting. But I also want to let you know that it might not be so straight, okay? So but I'll just make sure I show you the steps I use. Yes, so now this one, I already parted this. First and foremost, what I do is, if you're actually new in braiding, you can do this. Just get a little quantity that you're going to use in starting the hair. You divide this into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. You hold them in your fingers like this and begin to twist in each other, like cross in each other like this, into each other like this. You cross it on this other side, take the other one, you cross it, take the other one, cross it, and just keep laying it backward. You lay the hair and pick as you go. So as you can see, I'm taking it step by step, bit by bit. It doesn't have to be perfect, I just want to ensure that I have a protective style on for my other styles that I want to fix, like my weave on. So that is it for that. So in order to get a straight cut or a straight part, at least to ensure that the line is a straight one and it's not so bad, I just put my comb flat on my hair and take it straight to the back and do this. In that way, I know it's a straight line, that's not broken. I'll hold this down so it doesn't disturb me while weaving the hair. Just apply my oil. Okay. you know. So this is the last one. So half of the hair is done. I'm gonna just go ahead and do the other side. See the way my face is looking like, oh my god. That's why I don't do all back, because I know it doesn't fit me. If I had hair up to this point, at least, you know, it's gonna come out really, really nice. But with this thing, I just feel like all back doesn't fit me. You see the way my face is looking like one egg shape. Okay, so finally I'm done with the plaiting of the hair, guys. Done. So I'm just doing something really simple, like more like a nude color, just to blend with my skin tone. So I just tapped in that orange on my crease and blended out. That's basically what I did on the other side. No much drama today, no much drama. I'm just going to line my eye using my eyeliner. At this point I just make sure my hands are not shaking, so you don't mess it. It has to be so precise, like. Oh guys, did you see that? It's beginning to look like those Egyptian eyes. So that's it basically. I just winged the eye. I think I'm just gonna add some colors to, you know, to bring out this look a little bit. You know, I kind of like dramatic look. So let me see which one we're gonna use right now. Guys, what do you think about this pink? It's not bad. This is a pink right here. This pink, that's what I'm using, just to give some popping colors under my waterline area. Okay, so guys, what I actually did here is eyeshadow that I showed you guys. And after the pink eyeshadow, what I did next was use my glitters. Okay, this is Urban Decay, the Heavy Metallic Eye Shine. This actually serves as a base for my glitters because I didn't want to use the glitter glue. So after that, now I just take my Wild Out from my Morphe palette. I'm using this particular orange color, Wild Out, and I'm applying that under the waterline. So just to make sure it stays, I'm just pressing it down there. There's no harm in adding blinks, you know. Okay. So I'm just gonna add this to the back of the hair. I'm just stretching it out. basically that's all. This is the end result. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Let our channel grow, because I need you guys to make this a success. Please, please, please don't just walk by. Hit that subscribe button. Also get the notification bell on, so that when a video comes up, you always know when I put up a new video. Thank you so much for those of you that stayed up till now watching the video. I really appreciate you all. I say thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And that's gonna be it for today. I hope to see you guys in my next video. And I want you to remember to always be you, do you, and stay true to yourself. See you guys.